trace the echoes of your voice, they linger in my mind. Every memory's a photograph, frozen in time. I watch the waves roll in, but they just pull me further out, to a place where your love is the only thing I'm without. The distance whispers, but it screams in my heart. Every mile feels like it's tearing us apart. Across the oceans, I'm reaching for you. Through the silence, I'm calling your name. No horizon can hide what is true. Even a part of burns just the same. I feel your heartbeat in the stars, though they're so far away. And every sunset feels like a promise we'll make someday. But the nights grow colder and the time moves slow. Still I'd wait 1,000 lifetimes for your shadow to show. The distance whispers, but it screams in my soul. Every second is a story untold. Across the oceans, I'm reaching for you. Through the silence, I'm calling your name. No horizon can hide what is true. Even a part of burns just the same. I close my eyes and hear your laughter in the breeze. Feel your warmth in every memory. If love's a current, I'll let it carry me until your arms are my reality. Across the oceans, I'm reaching for you, reaching for you. Through the silence, I'm calling your name, calling your name. No horizon can hide what is true, hide what is true. Even a part of burns just the same. So I'll hold on till the waves bring you near. In every whisper, I'll know that you're here. Across the oceans, I'll never let go. For love knows no borders, it's all that I know.